Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix verification required when installing free apps on iPhone. It keeps saying that you need to put a card of or a source of payment whenever you try to download any app. And I'm going to show you that how you can get rid of this verification required error in your iPhone. So let's get start the video. Before we start the video, guys, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more upcoming videos. So the first step would be update payment method. Seeing verification required and requesting to verify payment information is most likely to assign in that your payment method has expired. Thus, you need to change your payment method by removing the old one and adding the new one. Simply go to your iPhone settings, click on your Apple ID username, click on payment and shipping, and enter the password if it's asked, and open this page. Once you're here, make sure that you add a new payment method. So if you have added already, you will see this the payment method you have already added. Remove that one, click on add payment method, and also make sure that you enter the exact billing address and enter the card detail and everything. Once you have done this, the problem will be solved. So if the problem is still there, then move on to the next step. The next step is check unpaid subscription. If there are unpaid balance, it will interfere with the process of downloading apps on the App Store. So it is necessary to check if the all bills are paid. For that, you can go to the App Store to check that. Click on this user icon and then click on purchased. Sorry, click on your Apple ID username. And then click on purchase history and check if all the bills are paid. So if there is any outstanding balance, make sure that you pay the balance. Then move on to the next step. Then the next step is don't require password for the purchase. Screen time will restrict you to download apps and make purchases as well, which probably lead to the App Store payment verification. Likewise, if your Apple ID is controlled by the organizer or family sharing, it might not allow you to download apps or payment method of the organizer account is invalid. In this case, it is suggested to disable required password and restrictions. For that, you can go to the app setting of your iPhone, click on screen time, click on content and privacy restriction, click on iTunes and App Store and select the don't require password. Once you've done this, your problem will be solved. So if this video helps, thanks for watching.